got quite the suspension, doesn't it?
Go ahead, take off the training wheels, bud.
I don't need help.
Right here. The 80 or 90. Those are 80s, but we have 90s. Yeah.
But I'll tell you, you'll find out somewhere.
Yeah, I have one of the 90s.
Well, tacking formation.
You got a lot of horsepower. I don't even need all this.
Yeah, play away from everyone, George. You're good, George. Hit it.
Are you ready?
Oh yeah, you're good. You're good. Go. Look at that. He's kind of all over the place. You got that button, George. She's down, dude.
Well, the throttle is up. When I realized I was crashed, the throttle was still up.
Yeah. Oh.
I mean, I don't even know how far down. Yeah, maybe you're right. Maybe I should have put it on.
Look, George, the best thing is to not have any regrets at this point. Alright, I'm landing.
I put my button in a position that it's just not prepared. I mean, I was pulling up. I was upside down.
There's a lot of talking on that. Green flag. Hey, dude, it happens. You got the nice truck out here. It's probably fun. She looks good, brother. She's probably good. These things are cold. Literally? You guys want to fly the jet one more time? Yeah, you can take a break after that. It's crazy flight. Alright guys, we are gassed up. Ready to make another rip?
Got the old electric jet back out. Now it's fixed it. We're going to do a hover launch.
That's Alan repaired it.
There she goes. Does it feel a lot like the big jet or no? Oh, this guy just zipping by. Nice, dude.
That was full throttle out. She's kind of dropping out when these batteries are full. But she's flying great.
You know what you should do? Give her a nice barrel roll to mix the batteries up. Oh yeah, that